Mastering the Art of Reorientation. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into a powerful and versatile word, reorient. We will explore its meanings, uses, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations and writing. So, let's get started and reorient ourselves towards learning. The word reorient is a verb that comes from the combination of the prefix re, meaning again or anew, and the word orient, meaning to align or position something relative to points on a compass or another specified direction. When combined, reorient means to change the direction, focus, or priorities of something. Example 1. Imagine you are in a forest, and you realize you are lost. You would need to reorient yourself, meaning you need to find your direction again to reach your destination. Example 2. In a broader sense, a company might need to reorient its business strategies to adapt to the changing market. Now that we understand what reorient means, let's look at how we can use it in sentences. Example 1. After the feedback from our customers, we decided to reorient our product development to better meet their needs. Example 2. Taking a short break from work helps me to reorient and come back with a fresh perspective. Example 3. The teacher realized the lesson was too difficult for the students, so she decided to reorient her teaching method to make it more understandable. Mistake 1. Avoid using reorient when you simply mean orient. For example, he needs to orient himself in the new city, not reorient. Mistake 2. Don't confuse reorient with disorient. To disorient means to lose one's sense of direction. Tip 1. Remember that reorient implies a change or shift from a previous orientation, not the initial act of orienting. That brings us to the end of our video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use the word reorient in different contexts. Remember, learning a new word not only involves understanding its meaning but also knowing how to use it correctly in sentences. Practice makes perfect, so try to use reorient in your conversations or writing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.